Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Beechwood, local and long distance movers near me. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Beechwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bellevue, local and long distance movers near me. When you choose to hire us for your long distance move, you gain access to the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will make sure your relocation goes smoothly. We know how to handle all types of long distance moves. When you work with us, you can work across the country or just 100 miles away to a new city with ease. You get the best type of a local move when you hire a Kentucky moving company. With the right local movers, you get the help you need when you're moving. If it's time to move down the road or across the city, the right local movers can make it simple. 3 Movers offers the right team to help you get the most out of your move. We do all the heavy lifting, which can save you a ton of time. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bellevue moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, international moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.